So my name is Chad Najjar. I was referred to Dr. Shad by a mutual friend. I had a old tooth that was broken when I was young, and the dentist that repaired it did not do a good job, so it was not looking too good. So I initially came in to see him just for one tooth, but we ended up deciding to do 8 veneers on the top. I can say I am beyond happy with the work. Definitely the best dentist I've been to. Didn't realize how bad my previous dentist was until I came to Dr. Shad. So definitely recommend him. I've already recommended him to many friends and family, and I love how my teeth turned out. Absolutely come see him for anything you need. He's definitely the best dentist.